Vacuuming to waste. The filter media is not sand but glass beads. Daily cleaning involves a leaf scoop and removing trapped leaves from the skimmer basket. The basket is held in place under 4 lugs and is rotated 90 degrees to line up the basket hole with the inlet pipe. It is worthwhile washing out the debris trapped in the basket. The flow of water when vacuuming. The filtered water is returned to the pool via 3 outlets and taken to the filter via 2 inlets. When vacuuming, the water bypasses the filter and goes straight into the council stormwater system. Parts of the pump. The inlet valve mixes water from the surface and bottom of the pool. The valve is set to halfway for filtering. For vacuuming, backwashing, and rinsing, the valve closes off the flow from the pool bottom. The inlet valve can be altered with the pump running or stopped. The multi-valve changes the direction of water flowing in the pipes. The multi-valve can only be rotated with the pump off. The water salt cell generates chlorine, which is pumped into the pool after being filtered. The pump controller has only 3 settings: auto, manual running, and manual stopped. Vacuum equipment. To vacuum, you need a vacuum head, pole, hose, skimmer round, and a plunger with a cable. The plunger is used to block this inlet pipe, which will double the suction power. Add water before you vacuum. Full is along the grout line. Add 3 centimeters or so. This is the level after vacuuming. Lots of water is lost. Fill the hose with water. We don't want air in the hose. Fit the skimmer round under the 4 lugs. Rotate 90 degrees to line up the holes. Twist the hose onto the vacuum head and lower into the water. Slowly feed the hose into the pool, pushing it under the water. Of course, a good time to vacuum is after heavy rain, which will top up the water level. Guide the end of the hose into the skimmer box and twist it onto the skimmer round. You don't want the hose to come off during vacuuming. That would seriously test your sense of humor. Next, change the valve settings. Start with the inlet valve. Push and rotate to close off the water from the pool bottom. This improves the suction. Turning the pump off and on. The pump screen shows auto and running. Auto means the pump will turn on and off at 2 scheduled times during the day. P5 refers to the amount of chlorine being generated by the salt cell, where 8 is maximum. You will use this auto setting at the very end of this video when you revert to filtering the pool water. One push of the auto button changes the setting from auto to manual and running. Manual means that you are now in control of the pump. Another push of the auto button changes the setting from manual running to manual stopped. The pump is off. Now you can safely change the multi-valve setting. The other buttons, menu and enter, are used to set the clock and the 2 times the pump will operate every day. Pool Care sets these. Now that you have added extra water to the pool and the vacuum hose is full of water and connected, we can start vacuuming. Turn the pump off so you can alter the multi-valve. You can now safely push and rotate the multi-valve from filter to waste. Then push the auto button to manual and running. The pump will start. Place the plunger over the hole and put the cord under the mat. This will prevent the plunger from falling to the bottom when the pump is turned off later. Push and drag the vacuum head along the bottom. It has tiny wheels. If the debris lifts off the pool bottom, slow down a bit. You can vacuum the whole width, or better, in my opinion, vacuum to halfway. Don't lift the vacuum head or white hose end out of the water, as you will get air in the pipes. When you have finished vacuuming, turn the pump off. The plunger will disengage and want to fall to the pool bottom, but the cord will save this from happening. Disconnect the hose ends. Have them both out of the water. Don't let the hose water empty into the pool. Empty the water onto the lawn instead. After vacuuming, a 20-second backwash will clean the glass beads inside the filter and send the dirt, leaves, and other debris into the wastewater system. As the pump is already off, rotate the multivalve from waste to backwash. Then turn the pump on. Wait 20 seconds. Then turn the pump off. After the backwash, rinse the glass beads for 20 seconds. As the pump is already off, rotate the multivalve to rinse. Then turn the pump on. Wait 20 seconds, then turn the pump off. You have now finished vacuuming, backwashing, and rinsing. Now the pool must be set to filter, with the water recycling and being chlorinated, and the pump to come on automatically is set, namely twice within 24 hours. So, with the pump off, rotate the multivalve to filter. Rotate the inlet valve to halfway. Turn the pump on. Job done in under 30 minutes. By the way, if the pressure gauge points to the red zone, the filter needs a backwash and rinse. If the water level drops inside the salt cell, setting the multivalve to recirculate will remove the air and fill the pipes with water.